Welcome to the webinars preparing the first conference on farmer-centric on-farm experimentation. My name is Myrtille Lacoste from Curtin University, and on behalf of the organizing committee, I am honored to introduce our themes. The OFE 2021 conference is inspired by a movement that could be of global significance. Farmers, researchers, and other stakeholders are experimenting collaboratively on farms at meaningful management scales as a means to drive change in agriculture. This on-farm experimentation process, or OFE, takes different shapes and forms, but all initiatives share a number of key features. They occur on the farm and at field scale. They bring in participants who add value to an ongoing process of inquiry. They focus on data to develop insights and to improve the inquiry process. And they emphasize farmers' needs as a means to reveal paths to value for all. The farmer-centric philosophy of OFE does not conform precisely to top-down or bottom-up paradigms. OFE develops an additional pathway to create information and knowledge to those that currently exist. A process that might be thought of as a third way of creating value, anchored with farmers and with scientists, but not only, and not either. OFE offers a practical solution to the challenge of transitioning agri-food systems by reframing questions, rethinking relationships between farmers and scientists, and by opening new spaces for collaboration at the intersection of agriculture, social, and data sciences. Now, OFE has risen incrementally, building on 200 years of experimental history and decades of participatory efforts. Contemporary acknowledgement of the potential for on-farm experimentation to drive change coincide with growing clarity over the need for more inclusive research, because no one size fits all, open innovation that promotes fruitful exchanges, shared value propositions and new business models that align the varied interests of farmers, scientists, and other stakeholders around common grounds. Another striking change supporting the recent OFE momentum is the rise of digital technologies. The underlying motivation is twofold. First, digital tools are powerful enablers of OFE, allowing to capture large amounts of information, scale processes to reach people, and share data and insights. Second, OFE could help test the relevance of digital technologies on farms with farmers. And yet, OFE does not necessarily need digital technologies. In fact, it can be argued that the strongest enablers of OFE are people. This must be acknowledged, as technologies have opportunity cost in rare materials, but also expertise. This conference must start to address these questions, for we must prioritize efforts to shape the future, rather than work hard and hope there will be enough to lead us where we need to be. This is why a key output of the webinars and of the October conference will be to build recommendations to which all are invited to contribute. OFE is for everyone because it is evidence-driven. We know that solutions cannot solely be technological, but also must involve changes in culture, policy, and governance, especially if we want to scale these solutions. Therefore, this conference addresses social and technical matters jointly. We need to ally different approaches, identify useful patterns, and share experiences and lessons to build momentum. We hope you enjoy the webinars and that debate will ensue so that we can guide together the global development of on-farm experimentation in this digital era. Thank you.